My name's Stefano Ghazzali and I'm a technology and systems advocate working for the language technology unit in Canolfan Bedwyr, and this is just a short video to explain the advantages of using Welsh in the workplace. So for me, obviously you can tell from my accent that I'm not a Welsh first language speaker. I learned the language in school, where I did about 2 hours a week studying Welsh as a second language. After that I never really used it much until I got my job in Canolfan Bedwyr back in 2012, and because we worked through the medium of Welsh, it was kind of fairly imperative that I learnt it for the job. The reason that I've found it important is basically that it has allowed me to get a high-paying job in an area that's very beautiful. The language also helps me to communicate better with people around me. Do I have any practical tips for people learning Welsh? Well, yes, I do. First thing is practice as much as you can. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everybody still makes mistakes. I possibly work in one of the most Welshest units in the university and I still make mistakes every day. Use technology. There's loads of resources available on the web, including our app, the app Geiriaduron. And really just try and practice as much as you can, whether that be speaking, writing, or just being involved in the culture. And I now use Welsh as my primary language in all the work that I do. We are a bilingual institution, but I try and start every conversation in Welsh. I hope this video has been of use to some of you.